How do you stack in Siril if you don't have darks, flats, or biases? Let's get into it. Firstly, let's download a new script. To do this, go to this link. I will leave this link in the description below and simply download. Once this is downloaded, open Siril and go to Preferences. Then go to Scripts and copy the location of scripts. Once that's done, paste it on the location bar. Now what we want to do is to paste the new downloaded script here. Once that's done, restart Siril. Now you should be able to find the new script. Click it and it should start stacking. If it doesn't work, make sure you have followed everything in my last video. Do you find short tutorials helpful? Please subscribe. Want to help me out? Please become a member. I'll see you in the next video.